Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about wave array. So what is this wave array? So in the question of wave array we will be given an array, so we have to sort it into wave array. So we are not going to sort in increasing or decreasing order in wave array. So wave array elements are arranged like this. The first element that is index 0 is greater than equal to element at index 1, and this element is smaller than or equal to next element. Similarly, this is also greater than element at index 3, and the element at index 3 is smaller than or equal to element at index 4. So this element is smaller than its neighboring element, and this element is also smaller than its neighboring element. So elements at odd indexes are smaller than or equal to their neighboring elements, and so on. It continues like this. So we have to sort the given array into this format. So it forms a wave-like structure if we write the greater element at top and smaller elements at bottom. So it forms a wave-like structure. Array 3, array 4. So we can make like this wave-like structure out of it. So how we are going to sort a given array into wave array? So for every odd index, we are going to compare this with its previous element or next element. If this element is greater than its previous element, then we are going to swap, and again we will compare this element with its next element. If it is not in the correct order, then we are going to swap. So suppose this is smaller element than this element, so it will smaller will come here and larger will go there. And suppose this is smaller than this also, so in the next swap this larger will go there and smaller will come here. In this way, here we in this part we will get a smaller element here. So we will continue like this, and we will in the loop for iterating the array, we will increase the loop variable with 2, so that we will jump from here to here and here to here and keep comparing with previous and next element. So let us see the code to get its better understanding. Now we will try to solve the problem of wave array given on Geeks for Geeks. So we have to sort a given array of distinct integers and sort them into a wave-like array. So as we have discussed earlier, we are going to follow the same algorithm, and here it is shown expected time complexity is linear time complexity, and expected space complexity is constant. So our algorithm will work here. So as discussed, we will first traverse the array. So for doing so, I am putting here a for loop that will start from a starting index, and it will run till end, and it will not run from starting. It will run from the first odd indexed element, and we'll update our I with 2, so that again we will pick up next odd indexed element. So putting here a condition, if odd indexed element is larger than its previous element. So previous element is array of I minus 1. If it is smaller than array of I, then they are not in correct order, then we are going to swap array of I minus 1 with array of I. So again we have checked with the previous element, now we'll check with next element. So we'll put here a condition. If it is larger than its next element, then again we are going to swap. So if array I plus 1 is smaller than array I, then we are going to swap array I plus 1 with array I. Here I need to put a check, so will not go out of bounds here, so I will write I remains less than n minus 1, so that when we do I plus 1 we don't get out of bounds. So now it is completed, let's try to run it. Yes, it is showing our output as expected, so let's try to submit it. Yes, it has passed all the test cases, it's working fine. So hope you understood the concept of wave array. Thank you.